Sweet life, sweet life, sweet life.
Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick cookie recipe that I actually saw on TikTok, and it's making cookies with a box cake mix. I know, I couldn't believe it either. So let me show you guys this quick recipe. Let's get started. So it said to use one box cake mix, and we're gonna use vanilla because we're gonna put some Oreos in it and make like cookies and cream cookies. That's what I saw them making on TikTok. So as you see, we started out with a Betty Crocker super moist white because that's what I saw them use on TikTok. And she put the cake mix in there. And then we have some eggs. She used 2 eggs. So we're gonna use 2 eggs. Like I said, it's super easy, guys. And then she used a half a cup of oil. So we're gonna use a half a cup of oil. And then we're just gonna mix it up. And what I noticed the difference between making this and making cake is cake will have some type of liquid, like a milk, buttermilk, water or something. Because I was wondering, how do you get cookies from cake mix, right? But you see how it comes together? And I'm just using a spatula. She used a fork. I'm just using like a rubber spatula. And see how quick it came together into a dough? So then, how quick that was? That's how quick. That was what, like 2 minutes? Not even. Now you got the dough. Then she put crushed Oreos inside. So we're just gonna use the same measuring cup. And she said she used like half a cup of crushed Oreos. I should have put these, I'm gonna put these in a bag to crush them actually. So then we're just gonna beat them. So then we're just gonna beat them. Okay. Now we got crushed Oreos. And then she just dumped them in. And then she folded the cookies in. And there we have it. Some cookies and cream cookie dough. And now, okay guys, so we folded in the cookies and that was so easy. This is the dough. We've already preheated the oven to 325. Now we're gonna get these on a cookie sheet. I got this copper cookie sheet set from Joann's. I got it like on Christmas clearance, but I love it. So this is the cooling rack that fits on top of the cookie sheet. So we're just gonna use the cookie sheet for right now. And then we're gonna line the cookie sheet with wax paper. So they don't stick. And then we're literally just gonna spoon these on. So she made like a, I guess it's a little bit bigger than a golf ball. And then she used the back of the spoon and she kind of pushed them down. Okay, there we have it. And then they're gonna go into the oven. I'm gonna put a little bit more on this one because I just feel like. Then he's gonna go into the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, so now they're out of the oven. Look at these, look how good they look. So we're gonna get some Oreos on top of these and then we're gonna drizzle them with white chocolate. So she took the Oreos, and you have to do this step while it's hot and kind of press them in because they won't stick after they dry. You can kind of like push them in.
Sweet life, sweet life.